Good morning, students. How are you? Well, I'm present again with the fourth video of the same chapter, adjectives and their kinds. So, this exercise, let us do 5.3, is based on proper adjective. In the previous video, we studied that proper adjective can be used as common nouns in singular after a or an and plural form also. For example, one of my friends is an American. So an American is common noun. Actually, American is proper adjective, but when we use a or an before proper adjective, it becomes common noun. Okay, so when we use the article a or an before proper adjective, it becomes common noun. 50 Americans. So here Americans, 50 Americans, it is in plural form. It is common noun in plural form. 50 Americans studied in Delhi University. Okay, so some proper adjectives ending in ch, s, sh, j. I told you in the previous video are used for language and people. For example, English. English is an international language. So English is here language. But when we use the before the language, it tells about the citizens or the people of that country where this language is spoken. For example, the English are very particular about punctuality. So the English means here the people of England. Okay. They are used like other proper adjectives like English literature, German literature. So it is also proper adjective. They are not used as common nouns. Okay. So now let's do the third point of the same exercise. Let us do 5.3. You have studied 2 points, first and second. Now this is the third point at page number 48. So come at page number 48. See the third point. Underline proper adjectives in the following sentences and write in the given brackets whether they are used as adjectives or as common nouns. Okay. So the first sentence is, I am reading, Indian food is liked by foreign tourists. So Indian food. So Indian is used as adjective. So here Indian food. Food is here noun. So Indian qualifies the noun food. Okay. Japanese food, Chinese food, Indian food. So these are proper adjectives. So here Indian is used as an adjective. So I have written proper adjective. So it can be written only adjective. It is here Indian is used as an adjective. Which adjective? Proper adjective. Okay. Second one, an Indian is by nature God fearing. An Indian is here. An is article. So when a or an are used before proper adjective, it becomes proper noun. Common noun. When a or an is used before proper adjective, it becomes common noun. So here an is used. An Indian means one person, one citizen living in India. So we are talking about a person who lives in India. So an Indian is here common noun. Third, I have a liking for American literature. American literature, so literature of America. So American is here proper adjective. Okay, so American word is used as adjective, and which adjective? Proper adjective. Next, fourth one, on getting a job, I will buy a Japanese scooter. Japanese scooter, here scooter is noun, so here Japanese qualifies the noun. So Japanese is here adjective. So which adjective? Proper adjective. You can simply write adjective. So Japanese is used as adjective because proper adjectives are used before a noun. Okay, so here Japanese is what? Proper adjective. Next, many Muslims go to Mecca every year. So many Muslims. So here Muslims, it is plural form. So many shows the number. Okay, more than one. Many Muslims. Muslim is a common noun. Max Muller translated Vedic literature in German. Vedic literature. Vedic literature is noun. So it related to the Vedas. So Vedic literature here, Vedic is proper adjective. Vedic is used as adjective. Okay. Next, 7. The Europeans who came to India earlier settled in Surat. So the European, people of Europe. So the Europeans means here shows the people of Europe. People of Europe. So it is the Europeans. This Europeans is used here as common noun. Clear? Note it down. Now next see the next sentence. Okay students, now see the sentence number 8. Shakespearean plays have an element of supernaturalism. So Shakespearean plays. Shakespeare is proper noun, name of a person, a great dramatist. So Shakespeare is proper noun and Shakespearean is proper adjective. And here place is noun, so it is used before a noun, so it qualifies the noun. So Shakespeare is proper adjective. Okay. And next, an African is generally dark complexioned. So an African, an is used here. An African, it means one citizen of Africa. So Africa is proper noun, name of the country. So African is proper adjective. Africa is proper noun and African is proper adjective. So an African, but here it is an is used before African, article is used, so it becomes common noun. Okay, Africa is proper adjective. African is proper adjective, and when any article is used before proper adjective, it becomes common noun. So an African is common noun. Now 10. Southern food is quite popular in North India. So southern food. So southern shows the direction, south direction. So southern is here used before the noun food. So it qualifies the noun. So it is used as an adjective. So it is proper adjective. So you have to underline the proper adjective. Every proper adjective should be underlined, as I have done, and in brackets you will write their kinds, whether they are proper adjectives or common noun. Okay. So now in this way you have solved the exercise. Now use of describing adjectives. You have studied this point, use of describing adjectives. Describing adjectives, whether of quality or color, is used. So I taught you in the previous videos that describing adjectives describe the quality or the color of anything. So here, this adjective is used attributively, means before a noun, and predicatively means after the be verb, is, am, are, was, were. The first point, proper adjective or describing adjective is used attributively, means before a noun. A good boy reads a great book. Good boy, boy is noun, good is here used before a noun, so good is here adjective used attributively. Okay, in simple way, try to understand, when the adjective is used before a noun, it is called to be used attributively. And when adjective is used after the be verb, be means is, am, are, was, were. So when adjective is used after is, am, are, was, were, it is called to be used predicatively. Okay. For example, his performance was excellent. So excellent is used after was. So it is used predicatively. Clear? Determiner is never used predicatively. Adjective is used, here describing adjective is used attributively, means before a noun or after a verb. But determiner is never used predicatively, it is always used before a noun. So you will study what is the determiner I am going to teach you. Note down these things. Okay students, now see determining adjectives, and this topic, the first one is, this is second point. First point you will study it, describing adjective. Okay, so describing adjective, you have studied this topic. Now the second is determining adjectives. So in this, first we will study possessive adjectives. In determining adjectives, the first point is possessive adjectives. They show the possession of something. My, our, your, his, her, its, their. These are possessive adjectives. Okay. For example, this is my pen. So my is here. My is here possessive adjective. Possessive adjective. Possessive adjectives are used before any noun. So here pen is noun. Pen is noun. So possessive adjective is used before a noun. So my is here possessive adjective. Clear? And this sentence can be written in this way. This pen is mine. Okay? In this way also, this pen is mine. So mine is here possessive noun. Possessive pronoun. Okay? Possessive pronoun. Mine is here possessive pronoun. Clear? So here possessive adjectives are my, our, your, his, her, its, their. Note that possessive noun is a form of possessive adjective. Okay? Possessive noun you have studied Ram's book, Shyam's book, Mira's book. Okay? This is possessive noun. And then mine is possessive pronoun. Clear? So my is here possessive adjective. Now if we are studying possessive adjective, we have to focus on these words: my, our, your, his, her, its, their. They all are possessive adjectives, and they are used before a noun. So now the next exercise is based on possessive adjectives. So let's do. Okay students, now let us do exercise 5.4. So come at page number 48. Fill in the blanks with matching possessive adjectives. I always play with. So here the subject is I. So what will be the possessive of I? My. In the previous chapter, I taught you all these things when I was teaching pronoun. Okay? So if the subject is I, its possessive will be my. So you will fill my. So I always play with my bat. I always play with my bat. Here, you write bat. So bat is noun. Here, bat is noun. Before noun, this possessive is used. Okay? Before it, bat is noun. Second, you will show. So you is subject here. So what will be the possessive of you? Your. Possessive form of you is your. So you will show your progress report to your parents. Okay. So your and your you will fill in second. Will show your progress report to your parents. Third, we have to solve. So here we, subject is we. So what will be the possessive form? Possessive is of we. Our. So we have to solve our problems ourselves. We have to solve our problems ourselves. So all is here possessive adjective. Fourth, he will join the trip. Subject is he. So what will be the possessive of he? His. Okay, he will join the trip after getting his father's consent. Consent means permission. Okay, so he will join the trip after getting his father's consent. So his is here, his possessive adjective. Fifth, they boarded the train without their tickets. The subject is they, so its possessive will be there, without their tickets. Now, six, sing your song again. Now here, subject is not given. So actually, this sentence is imperative sentence. In imperative sentence, the subject you is understood. Okay? So, the subject is always you and it is understood. So, here we will use your. The subject is you, it is hidden, understood. So, we use the possessive of you is your. So, sing your song again. It was very sweet. So, here we will use your. Now, the next point is second B. First B you studied possessive adjective and the second B is interrogative adjective. They both are included in determining adjectives. So determining adjectives are two types: possessive adjectives and interrogative adjectives. So in interrogative adjectives, whose, which, and what are used. So come at page number 49. This is at page number 49. Whose, which, and what are used before nouns to ask questions. So interrogative means to ask question. When we ask question with any sentence, it is called interrogative sentence. So here we are asking questions, but these question words should come before a noun to be called interrogative adjectives. So these are interrogative adjectives, whose, which, and what, and they are used before a noun to ask a question. For example, whose shows position? Whose book is this? See above possessive adjective as it was mentioned earlier. Whose house is this? So whose house? Here if you write whose house. So house is here what? Noun, and whose is here interrogative adjective because it is used before a noun and it qualifies the noun. So whose house, whose is here interrogative adjective, and it shows possession. This is his, my, your house. So if the question is asked, whose house is this? So the answer may be, this is my house, this is your house, this is his house. B. Which points to nouns? Limited choice. C. Demonstrative adjectives. We will study later. Which seat is for me? It shows the pointed nouns. Which seat is for me? So seat is here, noun, and which is interrogative adjective. What points to nouns? Was choice. What book do you want? What book? Okay. So it shows the choice in was, this large choice. So they all are interrogative adjectives. Let's do the exercises. Okay, students. Now let's do the exercise 5.5 based on interrogative adjective. So fill in the blanks with suitable interrogative adjectives. Come at page number 49. See the exercise. Akbar was Humayun's son. Akbar was Humayun's son. So the question will be, whose son was Akbar? So son is here noun, and it is who is used before a noun. It is interrogative adjective. Okay. Second one is, give me a good present. Give me a good present. So what present do you want? So what is interrogative adjective? Why? Because it is used before a noun. Third, your work was liked by all. So whose work was liked by all? Whose work was liked by all? Means your work. So work is noun and whose is interrogative adjective because it is used before a noun. Next, the leg of that chair was broken. So whose leg was broken? Whose leg was broken? The leg of that chair was broken. Whose is here interrogative adjective. This furniture is more beautiful. So which furniture is more beautiful? So which is here interrogative adjective because used before the noun furniture. Actually, whose is the only possessive adjective and is to be used for both the living and the non-living things. Okay. So however, for the non-living we may use adjective, phrase, of which. But here it is not said, or it cannot be said here. So I have used whose leg was broken. This for the chair also. Okay, thanks.